Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Will and this is the Wimmy YouTube channel. If you're new here, guys, do me a massive favor. Scroll down below, hit that subscribe button. It's totally free for you guys to subscribe, and what it does is it really helps me out by growing on YouTube. It really helps please the whole YouTube algorithm, which is so important for us creators out there. So yeah, guys, totally free. Just do that for me. Scroll down below, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Hey, hit the comment section down below if you want to leave me a comment. All those are really appreciated. I really try my best to reply to everyone. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So for today, we're going to be jumping back onto the TRX. If you saw the last video, we went ahead and started the whole carbon fiber overhaul process. We went ahead and installed the carbon skins on the hood vents up here. You can see on both sides. So for today, we're not going to be doing an exterior mod, but we are going to be jumping into the interior because we are doing a full carbon fiber interior as well as exterior parts. So for today, we're going to do a quick little install, and I haven't really seen anyone else with the part I'm going to be installing. Now, you obviously know what it is because you clicked on the title of this video, but it is a custom carbon fiber shift knob, and it is from MHF. I'll have a link and all that in the description below so you can go and check out their site and all their products they offer for, you know, all Rams and Hellcats, all sorts of stuff. Now, this is a custom piece, so you are going to be waiting quite a bit for you know, obviously custom parts because they're all custom. So don't buy this and expect it to show up in a week or two or 3 or 4 even. It's going to take some time, but it's definitely worth it because the quality is it's bar none. And as you can see, it's all the matte carbon right there, so it's going to match the interior very nicely. And it also does come with the new shift boot as well. You can see you can fully spec this out as well. So if you wanted like an Alcantara boot, you can get that. If you didn't want red stitching, you can switch it out. If you wanted gloss carbon or a colored carbon, they offer everything. I just wanted to go full carbon, keep it whole, you know, simple with the whole black and red interior. Since I have the base model interior, it matches all nicely. But as you can see, it's just held on there with some clips. So what we have to do is basically pry the stock one off, and then this one just goes right in its position. This is a stock shift knob. As you can see, it's just been customized, so the fit and all that is going to be absolutely perfect. So let's go ahead. I'm going to stop talking. Let's go ahead and get this installed in the truck. Right, so here we are inside the TRX. You can see down here we still have the stock shift knob, but just a side-by-side comparison there. Sides, and then from the front you can see it's just, you know, this has been skinned in carbon. And as you can see, this is the standard shift boot that I have, but I think with the red on here, it's still going to accent some of the red trim that you do get in the base model. So yeah, on the inside over here, I did notice that there is a little Torx screw that will kind of thread through there, which will, I guess, clamp this down onto the actual shifter itself. So what we need to do now is use a pry tool, start in one of these corners here to lift this whole shifter surrounding up, and then we could go ahead and remove this and install this one. So if there's anything like crazy along the way that I'm not realizing, or if there's any tips I can share with you guys, I'll go ahead and I will share that. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. So what I did was I took the pry tool, and I'm not hitting it above the silver right here, but right below it right there. So if you just kind of shove this in there and then start prying it, you're gonna get it to lift in one of the corners, and then you could go around and just start pulling those tabs out of the slots, and then that should free this up. But I just want to go ahead and show you guys that it's not pulling out this piece around here. All of this stays. It's just the actual leather part that's on the actual shifter. So you can see right there, we got the shaft of the shifter that's coming up right through there, and then right down here we do have that Torx screw. So I just need to back that out, and then we could go ahead and install the new one. And guys, just like that, we have the new shift knob installed on our 2021 Ram TRX. In my opinion, it looks awesome. I'm so stoked to finally get all the other carbon fiber pieces finally in the TRX. I do have the stock glove box, the carbon one for the TRX, and I did compare it to this one right here, and they are 100% identical. So if you do have the carbon package in your TRX and you wanted to go ahead and get the shift knob, yeah, don't worry, it's totally gonna match. And if you're more of a fan of the whole gloss carbon fiber and you are planning on hopefully doing like a full gloss carbon fiber kit, stay tuned, because I am going to have a bunch of information for you guys on a new vendor that is producing all the interior carbon pieces, and we're going to be installing and doing a full overhaul. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for all the other videos. And I just have to say, I really do wish I had a carbon fiber steering wheel to match the shift knob. I think it would look great, you know, something along the lines like that. So yeah, how about you do subscribe to that channel and stay tuned, because we are doing some really cool installs. So yeah guys, that's gonna do it for this one. I think just a really quick install video today. Any questions, feel free to comment down below. I try my best to reply to every comment. I will have a product link in the description down below. And yeah guys, that's gonna do it. As always, I really appreciate all your love and support. Guys, please really do go hit that subscribe button down below. It's something I really appreciate. I'm really trying to grow this channel. We're so close to 10,000 subscribers. Yeah, so please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share the video, comment. All that stuff is really appreciated. And until next time guys, see ya.